Wow!
Hello friends, wow! Welcome back to Michael's Toy TV. Look at that! Oh no!
Wow!
A lot of bus. Wow! And others car. Look at that. Okay, let's see one by one. Wow! Look at that. It's city bus. Oh. This color is orange color. Okay. Let's see next one. Wow. It's luxury bus. Nice looking. And this one is luxury bus. It's a green color. Wow. And then this is school bus. It's yellow color. Okay. And then this one is water tank. Look at that, it's so cute. And then this one is released school bus. Oh, and no, it's look. Wow, this is also water tank. Look at that, nice color. Wow, friends. Fire service. This car. Okay, let's see. This one is elevator. Okay. Look at that, friends. Nice. Wow. Look at that, it's dump truck. Oh, wow, nice color. This one. The truck. awesome. Wow, look at that, friends. It's loader car. Wow. Wow, it's a yellow color. Okay. Wow, friends. Yes. Rose Romero.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Yes. Oh, yellow color. And then next one, last one is Luda truck car.
Driving across the country seems a great big barrier. The answer's easy, use a car carrier. If the car's your baby and there's nothing scarier than
Oh, wow, big. Look at that, it's a truck. Wow. All is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.